Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating a clean, taut canvas so the doll eye illusion holds. Gently cleanse the eye area, then place a cold compress for 5 minutes to reduce puffiness and accentuate the lid fold. Once done, apply a thin layer of eye primer or clear gel to smooth skin and help products adhere. Now slightly lift the brow with your fingertips to expose the upper lid. This lets you map where the highlight, shadow, and liner will sit for a wider look. You now sculpt depth and light to create the big eye effect. Start by placing a matte light shade on the inner third and a subtle shimmer on the center of the lid to catch light. This visually pushes the eye forward. Then tightline the upper waterline and draw a very thin liner along the lash root, extending it slightly outward to lift. Curl lashes thoroughly, 3 to 4 squeezes, and apply 1 to 2 coats of lengthening mascara. Add spaced falsies on the outer 2. You finish by brightening and checking balance so the effect reads as natural. Dab a pinpoint highlighter into the inner corner and beneath the brow arch to widen the visible white of the eye. Make sure to blend edges softly. Apply a faint, soft shadow on the lower 1/3, avoiding heavy under-eye liner which closes the eye. If the look becomes too heavy, take a clean brush to diffuse edges and wipe any lower lash mascara smudges. This immediately reopens and balances the doll eye effect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.